you a fun that make it look pretty.
He's the rib whisperer, the one I've been taking. I've been going with him with that big 18-wheeler.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Well, no salt and vinegar chips.
No salt and vinegar.
Let me go ahead and give this a 4 booms out of 5. That's it.
Had to do all this.
The buns are out. 115 yet.
Right? It's supposed to be like this.
Hopefully not this month.
Yeah. Hopefully no time soon. If it does, I need to be by a pool.